Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Endive armor in DarkDivers. This specific armor set is highly sought after for its unique benefits, significantly boosting your character's capabilities in missions. Understanding the acquisition process is key to upgrading your loadout and dominating the battlefield. To obtain the Endive armor, you'll generally need to progress through the game by completing various cooperative missions. These missions reward you with credits, which are essential for unlocking new gear. Always check the in-game shop regularly, as Endive might be available for direct purchase using your earned credits. To maximize your chances of getting Endive, prioritize tackling higher difficulty missions. These often yield more substantial credit rewards, speeding up your acquisition. Keep an eye out for any special in-game events, as they sometimes feature exclusive armor sets. It's also wise to save your credits for when Endive is specifically available or on sale. Teaming up with friends can significantly accelerate your progress through tougher missions, making credit farming more efficient. Always stay informed about official game announcements and updates, as new armor sets, including Endive, are often introduced or re-released. For more gaming insights and other fantastic deals, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, remember to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.